Good day, everyone. I'm OlaMaye and welcome to my channel. Today is a What TF Did I Order video. This is an eBay purchase, but I do not know what's inside, so we will be finding out together. Let's see, y'all, what it is. Oh, this is a cutie pie, y'all. This is, I don't know if it will qualify as vintage or not, but I believe it's at least 10 plus years old. This is a Bitsy bag, y'all. It's a BB75 Bitsy bag. And my favorite color combo from the Greta print that initially I saw as Greta print, but in black and white. So this bag did not come with the shoulder strap. Make sure you can see the whole bag. This was so cute online, so you know we have to inspect it together and see if it's all good or not. So far, so good. The bottom looks good. I don't think that's a scuff. And I believe this status was like excellent use condition. I do see something here, but that looks like a splash of maybe like dried coffee or something. So I'm definitely going to see if I can get that out with a wet wipe. But let's take a look inside. We already checked out the front. Isn't that cute, y'all? I love black and white bags. That black and white together. Black and white bags, black and white shoes. Okay, let's see. Not bad. This is the front of it. So it does have one full slip pocket across the front, key keeper, slip pocket here with the Dooney and Bourke leather logo patch, and the zipper. It looks pretty clean. So it looks like it could have been used maybe a handful of times, but I don't see any stains. Just lint and like maybe a little dust. So I'm gonna say that this was a good purchase, y'all. This Bitsy, was it a bid? I believe it was. No, it was not a bid. It was a I made a counter offer on this purse, and I don't remember what they had it listed for, but I remembered. Excuse me. I remember what said about lowballing offers, just to see what they would accept, and that's what I did. So I want to say they maybe had this purse listed for like $50 or $60. And I want to say I offered maybe like $38. Look, it was no counter offer back and forth or anything. And my offer was accepted. I was surprised. So I'm like, I have a black strap that I can use to make this a crossbody. I have plenty of straps, so that was no issue at all. But just to get a DB 1975 Bitsy bag in this color for under $40, I would say it's a good buy. So this will definitely move to the cleaning process, sanitization process, and get in line for me to wear and carry it. As far as accessories, I don't have any in here with me. I don't think that I would pair with this, but I have an idea of what I would pair with it, and I'm looking forward to carrying it. So overall, this gets 2 thumbs up from me. Let me know in the comments, y'all, if y'all like it. If y'all have an idea of how old this bag is, let me know. But I'm excited about it. I think it's cute. Very well preserved. I see one little scuff mark there. Barely. So it was carried, but it was still loved, but not loved hard, should I say. But that's it, y'all. This is just a quick what TF did I order unboxing. And this was the main star feature attraction here, this Bitsy. So I hope you all like this video. Thank you so much for watching and subscribing, sharing, and commenting. I do appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Have a wonderful day.